Ladies and gentlemen, the amateur sommelier. I am back with a wine tasting video on this, the 23rd of January, 15:39 hours. A few hours until the snow and ice comes to berate and destroy me. And so if this is my last wine tasting video, you know that I was conquered by the snow and the ice. And it was tragic. And I'm fat. So, I'm going to taste the Jose de Sousa Mayor Vinho Regional Alentejano from Portugal, 2018 vintage. That is a really small text right there. Straight from Portugal, I'll have you know. And yes, when there's about to be snow and ice, which may cut off our power entirely, I drink wine. You know, they used to do that back in the day, and they didn't live long. Huh. Whatever. Color and clarity. That is dark purple on the core. Is there a piece of cork in this particular thing? There is a piece of cork. That core is dark purple. That red, we're gonna say garnet. Let's do garnet. I can already smell, like, oak barrel, good bit of spice. Dark fruit characteristics. I thought I smelled caramel. I was curious if I'd accidentally opened one of the port bottles. But no, no. Yeah, definitely more dark fruit characteristics. And more hints of spice. Ah, that oak. I must have been imagining something. The darkness. I'm just noticing I really should have, like, cut my hair before I showered. Whatever. Oh, there's a hint of black pepper on there. A bit of licorice. Okay, now I'm getting more tin. Because when you start swirling around in your mouth, you're like, wow, that's Pinot Noir. That's, like, much more watery, acidic. And then you swallow. Oh, there's a tannin. There's a spice. Definitely dark fruit characteristics in there. Definitely. Definitely. Very interesting. That's actually really good. But I'm going to do the big bowl because, yeah. This is supposed to be like a refined steak wine close to like a reserve Cabernet Sauvignon. That tastes a lot closer to a Pinot Noir. Odd, isn't it? Okay, I'm getting a bit more of the caramel on here, but still quite a bit of dark fruit characteristics. Quite a bit more. And if anybody asked, I aerated this thing for actually like 35 minutes. Yeah, a lot more dark fruit characteristics. But there is a just mysterious hint of caramel in there. And you still get a bit of the oak, but you can notice the oak more on the smaller glass, opposed to big bowl here. It's very interesting. I know how to swirl, okay? I only had one sip, I swear. Allegedly. You know you're supposed to get different characteristics in between the wine glasses? Not really. It's still mostly dark fruit characteristics. You don't get as much spice on the big bowl. But you still swish around at first, like, wow, this is like really watery, really acidic. You know, like a Pinot Noir, you swallow, that's where you get the tannin. There's not as much spice from the big bowl. Interesting enough, but definitely, like, dark fruit characteristics are, like, the vast majority of this wine. Which is very interesting, because, again, this is a 2018 vintage, it's 2026. What are we doing here? I don't know. It's kind of chaos. I'm going to stick with the small glass for this one because, all offense to Big Bowl, you're hard to clean. Even though I gotta be honest, I gotta clean this thing anyway. I like this one better. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow, depending on which platform you're watching. I will hopefully survive the snow, ice, blizzard of 26. Bye, everybody!